TV na yensa akamp ahoho bi ewa ha no betwe nkomo tiawa ni nyina ene se yenya no anase nam social media so nipaku bi afa ka de Ghana ha akwa kodru United Kingdom manumu na enwanwa bi ensida yenya safo no bi wa ha no betwe nkomo ne bisa omo ne ma ehye won kran ene akwantu nachi ene ma yehwe efri omo ho Opemsuo TV sune memo kwaba
medase ya menia ya frame kwajosaka me free group Wanderlust Ghana mu ya na mote say ya drive call London no enne mention hade ne Ghana Tourist Authority na nam yeah 1 week tour of Ghana ya visit various tourist sites ne mention ya start wo your current aim ne agenda ne say yebeboa Ghana Tourist Authority normal promote local tourism in Ghana. You started free kwesi ada ne yako Volta region yako Adan ne fema kupie hu ekoda Adambai. The next day ne to soko Bolga ene ne yabeda Kumasi. Nyame aduma enyume yabeda Takrade. Na that was on your Dale Mina if you are a concrete. Your name na near share near my of interest near recording near document. The whole aim is to encourage say Ghana for be drive around near share near my Ghana and sana said be to kwa broche near my koshe.
Now mo journey no den share mun kran den kra na ba mo dwum say mun faka in free Ghana enko UK.
Oh, see the plane akwa ena ekobia adventurous ya fro afajato yemu bia akofro Mount Kilimanjaro ya bangi jumping ya hwe free moving plane wo drive for niema say ameno ka say nyame aduma ye be another drive into the moon watch out for you and the saying the muhu canino something very massive and the whole aim is to promote Ghana on this your next drive no idea to yakuma so say be promotive visit Ghana sana crew ebe fam nyina baby ebe ko nyina no omo etimi ehun say Krobi or Ghana, your baby to say the way Manhyia Palace. I'm very impressed with the Manhyia Museum. Maybe I'm too quite. I've been to more than 64 countries and I've seen a lot of museums. And I think so Bia owned by Manhyia in the last 2 or 3 years since the museum was upgraded, and I should make time and visit the museum. It's a very impressive thing you have done here, and I encourage everybody to come and have a look.
My next trip no kamunsan kakra kire yen how is it going to be na cars na mo de call UK no eno ana mo be san yiso na
the thing is emunsem ne baby aye coordinates and man de yen fan to justice here because of obvious security reasons in there cars ne yebese san baako na dada na ye de call en de no ana ye de ko baako pe na yes because there were some challenges but watch the space. Very interesting.
Afterwards, cars no more the bed then I'm person
yeah, hope is anka dachi bi no bi GSC museum bi anka Ghana museum and obi sebe ade aye kwe. Yeah, na out of pocket. Ye nyambo bia obi sika nkan ho afi ne ye hwese e benya nkofo ma ya boa ya ka ya de koye hia tai hia fu obabi eda sikasem enti na fe ni ede ehu gigase ebenya nkofo ama ya boa ya omo boa ya ka na eba ebetimi de ama ban fancy National Museum da achi bia menana bi ko ho be so meso be na mitimi ye de boa Ghana enti se de asi ye ne so yesi be promote visit Ghana na wiase nyina ba Ghana
Madi nye humamo mo tena ke mo free Ghana ko UK na munsuru nema e course o kwan so no
yeah a lot of research so follow nipa bebre drive free Europe and nema ba Ghana and based on our experience na and a lot of research one down for so security services in across Africa almost my intelligence you use a new one yeah you designer said the same process near go through into relatively no you stay on the safe side but there's still some risk to it but nyamiadum yet me koba
na mokoba ene matisen
okay the only thing is say obi enemy nti baby enam bia na enya aso peso koto wache wakona bi kra na obi de kasa be dwan wona den na den cars no so yentimi ntwi because na kroma nipa be gina sa say Ghana ehye ebu awaso ehye akopeka kra be di no obi so de Wanderlust be how enti no e hope na ye but generally na ye na afa amankofo ehun say niam bebre wo how de si wani so abetimi aye ye ko schools na nkwala akokasa we emphasize the need for planning, the need for believing, the need for striving. Because I know na me etimi aye de aye and you see any so see a be any aye. It's basically to tell young people say the odi besi we ni so bia no o planning now hye ya obetimi aye.
Inconsider be na mo be mbekọ so aye na mo ye.
Oh, yende e enjoy. You start here yen and I say you call London no. And mate enka but yende ya any enjoy en kwapeni esre. You nkwane o sika de a ne momboabo am because you enjoy.
Say money Ghana Tourism Authority nenam it means say more recognize more partnership not to saying.
Oh, it's okay. Basically ne said I'm say person encourage visit Ghana no. Omni authority or me in charge of promoting tourism in Ghana. Until no more year drive, no more experience ordinary people when we go around the country what we experience. And I also know because of partnership na any omoye no omobe boy accessing certain countries because baby who here to get the visa to get my assistance first one for instance na your official any embassy be any relationship be but this time nyame adoma between Ministry of Tourism GTA and Foreign Affairs now we are hoping to have a smoother drive across the world.
My first tour no and my first trip no how has it impacted yen friends yen tourism in Ghana?
Oh, it's brought a lot of attention to the country. We were on BBC, as you know, we were on CNN, we're all over the news, and it gave us some traction. Me on Crawford free South Africa, Ghana, just because they heard about us, and when they came, they wanted to see us. You're developing friendship with overlanders. Overlanders, and Crawford driving across continents on the land. I know say nipa bebre the Ghana come route to our bar on person fahanum.
The mube here cars a den. Are you looking forward to get in touch and as a partner vehicle manufacturing company and be forward?
Well, so far they contact you, they don't seem interested. Yeah, ni bebre akasa, but I think say they don't. It's either they don't value what we are bringing to the table or more budgets into me. Cars na use we use them at our cost painfully. Because the anchor see it's me and for my cars. Obi to second tank or assemble or Ghana say, yet in the car qua. Can you imagine the impact to make say Ghana pick up near the drive Yakusianum? And all this Nissan, Toyota, more assemble or Ghana. This is a chance to advertise their cars and but contact you my response is impressive.
Including Kantanka.
And there's more money they see.
Okay, ebia na mo group no bi pese o join e kwan da ho na kwan be no be fa so.
Say the kwan ni ho because the nature of ade na ye no yentimi fa domonye entini ye de betimi ante bia om so pese om form group bia ye betimi a guide om no so ma form wing but because of convoy driving and the number of people I travel with Nintendo, we are limited. Yeah, but those be makes it too cumbersome.
For now, what are you saying?
For now, no, yeah, about 12 in all.
Yeah, 12 in number. Oh, okay. Or final message to Ghanaians.
Well, basically, we should travel and see Ghana. there's a lot to say in Ghana. As a ubia nyane leave or the cultural exams are not to fear na nema. Only car for STC for bus. Ko baby Kokentampo Kosher waterfall no. Hotel how beda. Sa nema na boy me nyinche, boy me pressure confirm. Brahmensha Museum be share for bus back Kumasi. Mesha Museum. It will give you a better understanding of Ashanti. And generally, it will help the Ghanaian economy. See, this year, every year, you be part of Ghana, be akoshe Buti Falls, and also be call akoshe Monkey Sanctuary, be an abibia, ebe boa Ghana. Moment just see it to them with the Biani and Piani and Koshe de Ghana. Ghana FPA, Utukoya now be. If I'm a Kojosaka Demensa, na your friend Wanderlust Ghana. With me follow on social media. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Wanderlust. Why? All right. Yes, yeah, Damase.